Good evening, namaskar, vanakkam. How are you all? We are doing this new thing called 7 days, 7 minutes to 7 habits. I welcome all my challengers from my close knit group who are on it. And what is the purpose of this habit building challenge? You must have heard this many a times, that consistency is the key to unlock many doors. We keep on hearing this every time. But what does this has got to do in our routine life? How is it going to help? So this is the first introductory video of our 777 challenge. I have termed this thing as oats. Oats, not the oats that I always ask you to eat. It's one at a time step. OAATS. If you want, please feel free to take a pen and paper with you and maybe just jot down for your own reference. So we'll be building this entire thing on oats, one at a time step. This is my own thing which I have used. I want to share with you all. I want to flourish. I want to thrive with you. And I'm so happy for those who have joined me. If you know anyone who needs this kind of a habit building, pull them in. Now, how is this consistency going to help? I want to give you my own example how this thing is going to help you. And being into this field for a very short time, I will still say I'm a fitness and nutrition enthusiast. I'm still learning, I'm still a student. So, uh, upon embarking this journey, what I have understood, this term consistency, it's important in all aspects of life. Now, 2 years back, I met an accident where I got ligament tore very badly. I was bedridden for 2 months, and I thought that how is this going to recover, or how am I going to be back on my foot? So, long story short, uh, I started very slowly. I kept a short term goal of walking on the 50th day, and I was able to walk on the 50th day. So, we will come to this part of the subconscious mind building later. Now, say for an example, you are someone who always procrastinates workout or maybe diet. So, if we specifically talk about workouts, I'm not a morning person. I find it really difficult to do anything in the morning apart from my routine course. So, what I did is I started working out as a very beginner. When I was absolutely sedentary and I wanted to start something on my own. So I started working out. It's like between 4 and 6 was my timing. I kept on many a days, many a things I was absolutely not able to do. Even simplest of exercises I was not able to do when I was on my heavier side. Then it kept on for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and after around I think 12 to 14 weeks, it manifested into a habit. Now, I think we can say this is habit, consistency, or discipline. We can use this interchangeably, is what I feel. Now, after 14 weeks, my body got so much used to it. It was simple workout, nothing like I was going to the gym, I was lifting heavy, just simple body weight exercises which involved no jumping as I have a disc herniation. So, I have to restrict myself from doing certain movements. After 14 weeks, maybe more than after 100 days, it become such a habit discipline that I termed it as consistency. How it helped, after 100th day, if for example I'm not working out at that point of time, my body gets sore because I don't work out, I don't feel sleepy, I get really irritable. I am not in a happy state of mind to do anything else. I'm not able to focus better even on the next day. So you see how this all has turned up into. So it was one at a time step taken for self improvement. So, this is all it is about. We are going to begin. Today, I have just given you an introduction of our 777 OATS program, one at a time step, right? OAATS. So, see, however small it may be, pat your back that you started. You have been consistent, you have been doing it, and see where you can improve. Now, I always believe that winners never quit and quitters never win. So, take that first step, stop procrastinating about anything, and in the next video, I am going to talk about how to start OAATS in every aspect, and that first topic is going to be morning routine. How is your morning going to be very very important? How can you use your mornings to make your day effective? What are the two habits that you have to have in your life if you wish to achieve more, if you want to go that extra mile in your life than just doing routine course? So stay tuned. Namo Narayana.